Welcome to Solution ERP tutorial. My name is Sona. I will be your mentor through your journey with Solution ERP. In this tutorial, we will learn about the following. Overview of Solution ERP. General features of Solution ERP. And the content available in various tutorials in this series. Let's start with overview of Solution ERP. Solution ERP is your comprehensive business management suite. At Solution ERP, we understand the complexities and diverse needs of modern businesses. Our software is a cutting-edge ERP and point-of-sale solution designed to seamlessly cater to a wide array of industries. Our aim is to empower businesses of all sizes to streamline their operations and to enhance efficiency and drive growth. Solution ERP stands out for its user-friendly interface, ensuring that all users, regardless of their technical proficiency, can easily navigate and make the most out of our software. We prioritize providing a professional output, enabling businesses to maintain high standards in their operations and customer interactions. Our software is engineered to address the unique challenges and requirements of different business types, such as trading and manufacturing, retail, service-based companies, project-based companies, and food and beverage sector. Solution ERP is your partner in managing all aspects of your business operations, from financials, HR, procurement and inventory to sales, customer relationships and beyond. Our software provides a holistic view and control of your business processes. This integrated approach ensures that decision-makers have all the information they need at their fingertips, facilitating informed decision-making and strategic planning. One of the key features of Solution ERP is its extensive library of ready-to-use reports. These reports are designed to provide businesses with crucial insights into their operations, financial performance, customer interactions, and much more. With these reports, businesses can easily track their performance, identify trends, and make data-driven decisions to foster growth and efficiency. To continue your learning journey and dive deeper into the topics we've covered, please proceed to the next video in this series. Your journey is just beginning, and the upcoming content is designed to enrich your understanding and skills further. Click on the next video to keep exploring and expanding your knowledge. Thank you for staying with us, and see you in the next video.